Good morning, students. Hope so you all are fine and well at your homes. Today date is 8/7/2020 and day will be Wednesday. And we'll start word problem. So question number 1 is there were 560 students in a class. 400 students left the class. Find the number of remaining students. Total students were 560 and 400 students were left the class. Now we have to find the number of remaining students. Okay. Now let me show you one example. Look here. Your sister is having 6 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now total number of candies are 6. And 3 candies she has given to you. 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3. How many candies are left now? 1, 2, 3. Or how many candies are remaining? You have to put the sign of minus here. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Like this, total students 560. So write here ones, tens, 100. 560 students. So write here total students 560. And the statement will be students in a class. Write here students in a class. Now 400 students left the class. So write here 400 students left the class. Now find the number of remaining students or the left students. We have to put the sign of minus here. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 6 minus 0 will be 6. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now statement will be remaining students. Right here remaining students. वन क्लास में 560 स्टूडेंट्स थे, जिसमें से 400 स्टूडेंट्स ने क्लास को लेफ्ट कर दिया. अब क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट्स बचे? दैट इज़ 160. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 400 from 560. Clear? And answer will be 160 remaining students. Question number 2 is Agam had rupees 975. He bought a watch for rupees 416. How much money is left with him? Like अगम के पास रुपीज़ 975 थे, जिसमें से अगम 416 की वॉच खरीद कर लाया. हाउ मच मनी इज़ लेफ्ट विद हिम? अब अगम के पास कितनी मनी बची? नाउ वंस, टेंस, 100. Total money Agam is having 975. So 975 rupees Agam had. Now he bought a watch for rupees 416. Now left is here, so we have to put the sign of minus here. Clear? Statement is cost of watch. Now 5, we have to subtract 6 from 5. 5 is the smaller number, we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So what we will do? Borrow 1 from 7. It will be 15, 6. Now 15 minus 6 will be 9. 6 minus 1 will be 5, and 9 minus 4 will be 5. Now statement will be left money. अगम के पास 975 रुपीज़ थे, जिसमें से अगम ने 416 की वॉच परचेज़ कर ली. अब अगम के पास कितने रुपीज़ बचे? 559. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.